Hello, dear student. Welcome to part 3 of our number system series. Today we are going to see an important chapter of cyclicity of number. So what do you mean by cyclicity of number? We are going to see, and we are going to see number of problem that is being asked in UPSC previous year from the cyclicity. So before solving the cyclicity, so let's see one questions of finding number of zeros. So this is very important question. Please listen very carefully. So this is a question given. So how many zeros are at the end of 130 by 29 factor into 40 factor? So this question already they've asked in multiple times. So this kind of question they ask in multiple times. So let's solve it. So it is given question 130 factor divided by, so here it is 130 factor divided by 129 factor into 40 factor. So if you multiply and divide, how many zeros are there at the end? So how we are going to count, find it? So let's see. So first we have to find number of zeros at the end of 130 factors. So 130 factors. So I need to divide 5. So the answer will be, it's 26. Already I have told you we need to ignore all this fraction value, because here we are counting zero need to be 1 or 2, it cannot be 2.50. Okay, so next we have to divide 26 by 5 now, so it is 5. Again we need to divide 5 by 5, so it is 1, so we are getting, okay, so it is 32 number of zeros. So now we'll find number of zeros. So number of zeros, so number of zeros at the end of 40 factor. So number of zeros at the end of 40 factor, how we are going to find? So again we'll divide by 5, so we'll get 8. Okay, so again we'll take this 8 here. 8 by 5 will get 1, because we need to ignore all the fractional value, because 0 need to be a complete integer. So total number of zeros here is 9. So next number of zeros of 29 factor. So 29 by 5, so we'll get 5 as a decimal value. We need to ignore all this point. So again 5 by 1, so we'll get 5 by 5, so we'll get 1. So total number of zeros will get here 6. So I think you already know one concept. So whenever we are multiplying 10 into 10, so that means how many zeros are there? So it is 100. So that means number of 0 here and number of 0 here, you are simply adding na. So that means multiplication equals to addition na. ठीक है, same if I'm writing 100 by 10, so here it is 10 na. So that means division means here it is 20, here it is 10, and you are getting 1. So we can say division means subtraction na. So please remember these things, because multiplication means addition and divisions means subtraction. Same we are going to do it. So here it is given the value. So here it is given the value of ठीक है, so 130 factor. So 130 factor, here it is 130 factor into 40 factor. So number of 0 will add na. So I can write 32 plus number of 0 here is 9, and for 29 we have to minus the 6. ठीक है, so how many number of 0 will get? So it is if you subtract, you will get 35 number of zeros. So this is very important. This kind of question they can ask in your exam also. Okay, so let's see the cyclicity of a number. So here we are going to see cyclicity of a number. So what do you mean by cyclicity? So if you check any number, let's say there is a number, and with 122. So here the unit digit is 2 na. So if you take 1, so that means always there will be one unit digit will be 122 na. So this is what 2. So if you take 122 square, so at the end what will happen? 122 into 122, so 2 into 2 4 na. So cyclicity basically used to find the number at the unit digit. So unit digit का क्या number होगा उसको हमें find करने के लिए cyclicity को use करते हैं. So first, if you take 2 to the power 1, so what will be the value? It is 2. 2 to the power square equals to 4. 2 to the power 3 will get 8. 2 to the power 4 will get 16. 2 to the power 5 will get 32. So you can see that after 4 the 2 is repeating na. So after 4 is repeating, 8 is repeating. So that means any number, so let's say any number end with, again we'll take like that, if you take square, so whatever may be the number always end with 4 na. So if you take 122 to the power 3, you'll get number end with 8 na. Okay, so same, if you take a number 122 to the power 4, you'll get a number end with 16 na. Maybe whatever maybe number. Our concern it, the cyclicity basically used to find the unit digit. Okay, so that is the reason we are using the cyclicity. So we are going to see a lot of examples. Don't worry, even if you are not able to understand it, please have some patience. So we are going to see it in detail. So we can see first 2 to the power 1, then 4, 8, then 6, again you'll repeat. So that is the reason we can say the cyclicity of 2 is 4. So after 4 it is repeating. So after 4 cycle the unit digit will repeat na. Okay, so that can be used. So same concept can be used to find some, we can solve some problem. Let's see here. So if it is 2 to the power 5, so 2 to the power 5 I can write 2 to the power 4 plus 1 na. So if it is cyclicity is 4, so we need to eliminate this 4 na. So we need to eliminate, because if it is cyclicity is 4, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will repeat here na. So that means after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will again repeat here na. So that is the reason we need to eliminate this 4 and we'll write 2 to the power 1. So unit digit will be 2. Okay, so cyclicity basically used to find number unit digit. Okay, so again one more question. So it is saying that find the unit digit of 2 to the power 81. So we know that the number 2, the cyclicity of number 2 is 4 now. We know that cyclicity of number is 4. So we'll convert that into in this format. So 2 to the power 80 plus 1 na. So this number we have to convert multiple of 4. So this is a multiple of 4, so we need to eliminate it, and what will get 2 to the power 1. So unit digit is 2. So I'm just correcting the size because it is 2. Yes, I'm just rewriting it. So I can write this as a 2 to the power 80 plus 1 na. So we need to eliminate this, so it is 2 to the power 1. So unit digit is 2 na. So let's see one more question. So this question, find the unit digit of 2 to the power 243. So again it is cyclicity is having 4. So we need to convert this number into a multiple of 4. So what is the number that is nearest, that is multiple of 4? So I can write 240 plus 3 na, and this is divisible by 4. That means divisible by 4 means what, if it is divisible by 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means we are here, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we are repeating again and again. After 4 we are reaching same place. So that is the reason we are eliminating the multiple of 4. So I can write this as a 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. So unit digit is 8 na. So let's see this question. So this kind of question they can ask in examinations. So find the unit digit of, so this is asking find the unit digit of this number. So whatever may be the number, so 2 to the power, it is given 869. So we have to convert this, multiple of 4 plus something. So I can just write, so I can 869, you can simply divide with 4. So 4 into 4, 16. So 2, 26. So you'll get 24. So 29. So 28. Okay. So remainder is 1 na? So remainder is 1. So that means I can write whatever may be the number. So I can write 1868 plus 1 na? Okay? So that means I can represent this number into this way na? So this is a multiple of 4. So I need to 0, eliminate that. So now it is 2 to the power 1. And we know that this value is 2. So what is the unit digit? So unit digit is 2 na? So I think this is easy. So if you are not able to understand, if you are finding anything problem, or if you are able to understand, please write in the comment box so that I can understand what's going on. Okay, chaliye. So next we are going to see about the cyclicity of 3. So that means any number. So it can be any number, let's say 133. So unit digit is 3. It can be any power. So if something power 12, so that means we have to multiply 3 12 times. Then there will be, to follow the cyclicity of 3. So we know that 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9, 3q is 27, 3 4 is 3 to the power 4 is 81. So in this way we can see cyclicity of 3 is also 4. So first it is 3, 9, 7, 1. Then again it is following the cycle. That means 3 to the power 5 is again it is 3 na, same 3 is repeating at the unit place na, you can see here. So next it will repeat, so cyclicity is 4. So same thing I can write 3 to the power 5 equals to 3 to the power 4 plus 1 na. So if you just look into that, that means first one is about 1, it is here, it is 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 is also equals to 1 na. So that is the reason we need to eliminate this 4, so it is written as 3 to the power 1, so unit digit is 3. Okay, so here it is given the unit digit is 3. So this, in this way you are going to solve and find the unit digit. So please solve this question. So this question, it is asking what is the unit digit. Again we'll convert the power whatever given, it is a multiple of 4. So I can write 3 to the power 341 equals to 340 plus 1. This is divisible by 4, so we need to eliminate it. So what will get, it is 3. So unit digit is 3. I hope you are able to understand it. So please, comment in the comment box whether you are able to understand it or not. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to know. There is no interactions. Yes, you can support me through comment, so I can understand it. So next is about find the unit digit of this number. So again, I'm that the unit digit 3 also follow a cyclicity of 4. So we need to convert this number into multiple of 4 and something. So 12 96. So I can write this number as you know 3 to the power 12 92 plus 4. Okay, and this is a multiple of 4, so we need to eliminate that. So now it is 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 value will get, if you are not able to find that, you can write 3 to the power square and 3 to the square na? So it is 9 into 9, so it is 81. So unit digit is 1. So I can write unit digit. Okay, so unit digit is 1. Okay, so hope it is clear. So now this, in this question, so it is asking find the unit digit of this. You are given this product, they are asking find the unit digit of this product. So already we know that 2 is having the cyclicity of, we know that 2 is having cyclicity of 3, 3 is having the cyclicity of also 4. So how we are going to solve this? Please listen very carefully. So first I need to write 149 equals to multiple of 4 plus something. So I can write 2 to the power 148 plus 1. So it is multiple of 4, so we need to eliminate it. So it is 2 to the power 1. So unit digit is 2. So this is the unit digit. So now it is 3 to the power 156. So again we need to convert this number into multiple of 4 plus something na, 2 to the power 152 plus 4 na. Okay, so 152 and it is divisible by 4, so we need to eliminate it. So it is 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So I think it's 3. Yes, 3 to the power 4, again I need to write 9 into 9, so 81. So unit digit is 1 na. And it is asking about the multiplication. So we have to multiply 2 to the power 149 into 3 to the power 156. So multiplication means unit digit of 2 into unit digit of 1. So answer is 2. So this product is having unit digit 2. So unit digit is. Okay, so unit digit is 2. Hope you are able to understand it. If you are able to understand, please write in the comment box. If you are facing any kind of problem, let me know, so I'll improve that also. Okay, so next question they're asking find the unit digit of this sum. Previous question we have done the multiplication. Now it is asking the sum of this two number. So I can write 2 to the power 37 plus 2 to the power, it is 3 to the power 46. So 2 to the power 37 I can write multiple of 4, that is 36 plus 1, plus I can write 3 to the power, it is 44 plus 2 na. So this is a multiple of 4, need to eliminate, we need to eliminate. So it is 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power square na. So 2 plus 9, so it is 11. So what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 1. So unit digit is 1. Okay, so let's see next question. So you can see this is a so big question, it look like so big question, but in reality it is not that big question. So it is asking find the unit digit of 2 to the power 10 1033. So how we are going to solve it? So we'll convert that into 2 to the power 32 plus 1 na. So that means we have to convert this number into I'm just like you have to divide that into 4. So if you divide that into 4, so you'll get 8 na 23 na. So it is 520. So you are getting again 23. So again 5. So it is you'll get yes, 33 means you have to 6. So 30. So 3 na 32. Yes. So it is 32. So 8 it can 8. So 1 na. So that means remainder is 1. So so it is, if you just subtract 1, you'll get divisible by 4 na. So it is, I can write 1032 plus 1. So this is multiple of 4. So we need to eliminate. So it is 2 to the power 1. So unit digit is 2 na. So next this is also very interesting question. So let's see, this is a question given. So find the unit digit of 2 to the power 512. So I can write 2 to the power 512. So I think this number is already divisible by, I think all know this number is already divisible by 4. So in this case, what will write 508 plus 4 na? Okay. So already it is divisible by 4. So we need to eliminate. So it is 2 to the power 4. So the value will be 16. So 16 means unit digit is 6. Okay. So I think it is clear to you all this problem. So how we are going to count? So if it is cyclicity is 4, so we are converting 2 to the power something is multiple of 4 plus the remainder, and then we just eliminate the multiple of 4, and remaining we are finding the unit digit. So next important question, it is asking the unit digit of 3 to the power 80, 1896. So again we'll convert that into multiple of 4 plus something. So I can write this as a 3 to the power 18 92 plus 4 na. So this is also divisible by 4. So we have to eliminate that. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So unit digit is 1. Okay, hope dear student, it is you are able to understand everything. If you are not able to understand, please let me know in the comment box. Definitely will improve. So how UPSC is going to ask about this question by using this concept? UPSC can give a very big number just like this. So how much big number so we should not concern about that, because our only goal is to find the unit digit. So unit digit is 3 na. So it is 3, whatever be the number we are not concerning about, and at the unit digit, if it is 3 to the power 186, we can write this as a 3 to the power, we can write this as 3 to the power 184 plus 2 na. And this number is divisible by 4, so we have to eliminate that. So what is remaining? 3 to the power square, so it is 9. Okay. So what is the unit digit? So unit of this number is 9. Just imagine, by using this concept, how much big number you are able to find the unit digit. Whatever may be the number, you are able to find the unit digit. Same kind of question here is also they are asking, find the unit digit of this big number. So we should not fear of this big number. What is our concern? Find the unit digit. What is in the unit digit? So unit digit, whatever may be the number, is 2 na. 2 to the power 137, I can write 2 to the power 136 plus 1 na. And this number is divisible by 4, so we have to eliminate that. So it is 2 to the power 1 na. Then what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 2 na. Okay. So hope you are able to understand everything. So next question. So they are asking, find the unit digit of two numbers. So find the unit digit of, so it is given, I think just deleted. So let me rewrite it. So here again, we are not concerned about the number. We are simply concerned about what is in the unit digit. So here it is, unit digit is 3 and 2. So I'm just going to rewrite it. 3 to the power 176 plus 2 to the power 189. Therefore, we are finding the unit digit. So that is the reason I'm eliminating everything except this unit digit. This is what our objective is. We are not concerned about what is the other numbers. Okay. So it is cyclicity is 4. So we have to convert this into multiple of 4 plus something. So it is 3 to the power. So I can rewrite that as 172. This is multiple of 4 plus 4 na. So I can rewrite this as a 2 to the power 188 plus 1 na. Okay. It is multiple of 4. So I need to eliminate. So now it is 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 1. 3 to the power 4 is 81 plus 2. So if you find the sum, you will find 83 na. And what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 3. Hope it is easy and you are able to understand everything. So if you are not able to understand, please write in the comment box. So let me know. I'll definitely help you on that. So next we are going to see about the cyclicity of 4. So how 4 will be behave with increasing its power. So if 4 to the power 1 will get 4, 4 square will get 16, 4 cube you are getting 64, 4 fourth you are getting 256. Are you able to understand something? Whenever power of 4 is odd, you are getting unit digit as 4 na. Whenever power of 4 is even, so you are getting unit digit as 6 na. So that is what I'm just rewriting it. So 4 to the power odd, you are always getting 4 na. 4 to the power even power, you are always getting 6 na. So it is quite easy, and cyclicity of 4 is 2 only. So you can see 4 is repeating after 2 na, 6 is repeating after 2 na. So cyclicity of 4 is 2, but cyclicity of 2 and 3 are 4. Okay. So by using that, we can find this concept. So find the unit digit of 4 to the power 7. So here 4 power is odd, and we know that whenever 4 power odd, so unit digit will be always 4. Okay. So here again it is asking, so big number, we are not concerned about this number, we are only concerned about last digit. So this is 4 to the power 136. This number is even, so 4 to the power even will get 6. Hope it is quite easy and you are able to understand. So if you are not able to understand, definitely you can let me know through the comment box. Chaliye. So next important question, it is given a big number. We are not concerned about this number. We are only concerned about unit digit. So unit digit power is odd number. So if it is odd, then unit digit is 4. So it is quite easy as compared to 2 and 3. Okay. Chaliye. So next about the cyclicity of 5. So if you take 5 to the power 1, you will get 5. 5 square, you will get 25. 5q will get 125. 5 4 you are getting 625. So whatever may the power of 5, it is always giving the unit digit as 5 na. So whatever may be the power, we are always getting unit digit as 5. Okay. So let's say this is a question given 125 to the power whatever may be the value, unit digit will always get the 5. Okay. So no need to fear about big number, just go on, you'll get the answer. Sometimes they can use a big number to confuse you, so no need to worry about it. Okay. So same with the cyclicity of 1. So cyclicity of 1 power maybe whatever may be the number, always 1 na. So we can say cyclicity of 5 and cyclicity of 1 is always 1. Okay. So they can ask question like 1 to the power 389, big number, so it will always give a unit digit 1. Okay. So next we are going to see about the cyclicity of 6. So 6 to the power 1 is 6, 6 square is 6. So if you look into that, 6 is also having always unit digit as 6. So unit digit always we are having 6. So cyclicity of 6 is also 1. So you can remember that, how you are going to remember 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So the three are in the same category with one cyclicity, single cyclicity. So 1, 5 and 6, they are having single cyclicity. You can remember by using this formula, like 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So next this is a very interesting question. So find the unit digit of this sum they are asking. So already we know that all these are giving in a single cyclicity question. So if it is asking 11, so our concern is unit digit. We are not concerned about other number, we are simply concerned about the unit digit. So the number क्या हो जाएगा अभी 1 to the power 11 plus 5 to the power 2 plus 6 to the power 777, and we know that 1 power whatever may be always give the unit digit of 1. 5 power whatever may be always give a unit digit of 5, and whatever may be the power of 6 always give a unit digit of 6. So if you add 6 plus 6, it will give 12. So unit digit is 2. Okay. So next question we are going to see it. So I think it is, you are able to understand this question. If you are not able to understand, you are always welcome, so please let me know. Definitely I'll help on that. Okay. So and dear student, we are also providing all the PYQ through this shorts. So I am uploading daily 2 shorts in our this channel. So please do watch that. This is the concept class. You are learning concept, but you have to put that concept into practice. So uh, after concept class, I'm posting 2 the shorts video where I'm discussing all these previous question of UPSC. So please do practice that as well. ठीक है. So this question, so it is asking about 131 to the power 33, 22 to the power 146, and 15 to the power 18. So what is the unit digit? So already I have told you, so we are concerned about unit place, we are not concerned about other numbers. So 1 to the power 33 into 2 to the power 146 into 5 to the power 18. So we know that whatever may be the power of 1, it is always 1. So I can write it as a 1. And 2 to the power 146, we need to convert multiple of 4 plus something. So I can write 144 plus 2 na. And 5, whatever may be the power of 5, always give a unit digit of 1 na. So here we need to eliminate that multiple of 4. So it is 1 into 2 to the power square into 5. So it is 5 into 4. So it will give a unit digit of 0. So it is 20. So unit digit is 0. Okay. So hope it is clear to you. So let's see next question. Next important, cyclicity of 7. So cyclicity of 7, 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 square is 49, 7 cube is 343, 7 fourth is 1. So after that, after 4 it is repeating. First 1. So first is 7. So after that it is moving towards 9, 3, 1, again 7. So it is moving this in the cyclicity of 7, then 9, 3, 1, 7. So after 4 it is keep on repeating. So on that basis we can say the cyclicity of 7 is also 4. So let's see, let's solve this problem. So we'll get a lot of clarity on this concept as well. So it is asking, just a second. Yes, so it is asking the unit digit of 7 to the power 52. So it is cyclicity is 4. So we need to convert that into 7 to the power product, multiple of 4 plus something. So I can write 7 to the power 48 plus 4 na. So 48 is product multiple of 4. So we need to eliminate that. So 7 to the power 4. So 7 to the power 4, if I are not able to understand or recall the value, so you can write 7 square 7 square na. So 49 into 49. Our concern is 9 into 9 unit digit. So if you product multiply that, whatever the value, we are not concerned about it. 9 into 9 will give 1 at the unit place. So our unit digit is, so here we are concerned about unit digit. So no need to go multiply to find, simply just find the answer as per our requirement. Okay. So next we are going to see about the cyclicity of 8. So 8 to the power 1 is 8, 8 square is 64, 8 cube is 512, 8 4 is 4096. So again 8 is follow 8, then 4, 2, 6 in this way. So cyclicity is also 4. So let's see 9 also. So if you look into 9, so you'll find 9 to the power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81, 9 cube is 729, 9 fourth is 6561. So here you can see that whenever power of 9 is odd, we are giving the value, unit digit value is 9 always. When power of 9 is even, so we are getting unit digit is 1 na? So I'm just rewriting that when 9 to the power odd, we are getting unit digit 9, 9 to the power even, we are getting odd unit digit is 1. Okay. So by looking into that, we can say the unit digit, okay, whether it is odd or even. So here you can see, here find the unit digit of 999 to the power 360. We are not concerned about this, we are concerned about only the last number. So last number to the power even, so we'll get unit digit as 1. Okay, by looking into that you can directly say that. Okay, so next is find the unit digit of 129 to the power 133. So we are not concerned about this number, we are only concerned about last unit digit. So 9 to the power, it is odd, so 9 to the power odd, so you'll get unit digit as 9. Hope it is clear to everyone. So if you are able to understand, please let me know. If you are not able to understand also, please let me know. Otherwise, it is very difficult for me to know and to improve it also. So please reach out to me, and whether you are like it or not, or if you have any suggestion, you are always welcome. So please let me know. So this is very interesting question. So this is asking what is the unit digit of this value. So we are concerned about the unit digit now. So 1 to the power 21. So whatever may be the power of 1, it will always going to give you 1. So next is it is 2, whatever may be the value, 2 to the power 36. Now I can write 32 plus 4 now. That means multiple of 4 plus something. So 3 is also having cyclicity of 4. So I need to write that also. So end is 3. So I can write that as a 44 plus 2 now. So then 4, cyclicity of 4 is how much? So I think you need to, okay. So cyclicity of uh, yes, so I can write that 4 to the power 54 plus 1 na? So whatever may be the power of 1, always give 1 is na. So here we need to eliminate the multiple of 4, so we'll get 2 to the power 4 plus again we'll its cyclicity is 4, so we need to eliminate that. What we will get? 3 to the power square na. So plus, so I think you already know that it is 4 to the power 1 na. Okay. So we can write this as a 1 plus 2 to the power 4 is 16. So we are not concerned about this value. We are only concerned about the unit digit. Plus 3 square is 9. So and 4. Okay. So if you add, you will get it is unit digit. I am only concerned about unit digit. My concern is not any other value. So 9 plus 1. So it is 20. So unit digit is 0. So unit digit is 0. Okay. So dear student, hope you are able to understand everything. If you are not able to understand, please let me know in the comment box, so I'll definitely help you on that. So next it is asking find the unit digit of this this value, so the number given. So here it is given. So I think even without solving, you can also solve this. First you have to look into, I'm just rewriting already there, so no need to write here anything. So here, in 24 you'll find a lot of twos, and there 25 there are a lot of fives also. So if you multiply 5 with the 2, definitely you'll get a unit digit of 0 na. So in this case, no need to even solve it. If any product or any multiplication, if there are number of fives and number of twos, so always you'll get a unit digit of 0 na. So multiplication of here 5 into 2 pair, so give 0, so unit digit is 0. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So dear student, this is all about the cyclicity and finding the unit digit of any product. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the remainder. It's a very important topic. So UPSC in last couple of years they are asking a lot of questions. So we'll have to end our discussion here, dear student. And dear student, if you have any suggestion, feedback, so definitely you can give me. Accordingly I'll improve and provide to you. And dear student, please, if you find this video is very helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video with your friends so that more number of students can benefit from it. And please do support to me, because I'm providing this content. It's a lot of hard work is going on, so you can understand it. Okay dear student, tomorrow we'll start our reminder theorem. Chaliye, for time being we'll have to wind off here. Take care, bye bye, we'll again meet tomorrow. Bye.